Hey, it's Alex here. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I put together a quick email and sent it to my quite small list. It's only a few hundred, and was able to generate a couple of sales on my print-on-demand store, my newly relaunched print-on-demand store, I should say, within 24 hours. The e-commerce site I'm talking about is this one. It's estepona.life. It's my side project at the moment. And on there, I've got a shop section which sells print-on-demand t-shirts. The t-shirts are all inspired by Estepona. I put the email together using Omnisend. One of the great things about Omnisend is that it integrates really nicely with WooCommerce, making it really easy to put emails together. You can just select the products from your site and add them to your email with just a couple of clicks. After sending out the email, within 24 hours, I got a couple of orders. So that was really nice. But anyway, let's jump on the computer and let me show you how I put that email together. Here is estepona.live, my website. Let's have a look at the shop and some of the new designs that I've got. And yeah, here we go. Nice selection. Some of the designs by myself using Kittle, basically just templates that I edited. And some of the others, like this one, were created using ChatGPT. And yeah, I've got a full video on how I created these designs. It's currently being edited. It'll be up soon. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it. But I want to sell some more. I've already sold a few, to be honest, because I've put them up on Facebook. But now I want to have a few more sales. So let's use my email marketing software, Omnisend, to send out a quick mail to my list to let everyone know that there's some hot new designs in the shop. So let's jump into Omnisend. Here we are. Here's Omnisend. I'm just having a look at my contacts. I've got 368 email subscribers, which is pretty decent. It's growing nicely. I'm getting new people sign up every single day at the moment. So the list is growing really well. I'm using a simple pop-up form to try and capture people's email addresses, and it seems to be working really well. And I'm using social media to drive people to the website, so that's helping as well. So let's send out an email to these 368 people. So I'm going to jump into campaigns within Omnisend. And by the way, if you're not running Omnisend, you need to go check it out. Honestly, I'll put a link up now. It's an affiliate link. Thanks very much if you use it, but you'll also get a discount if you follow that link. So yeah, worth checking out. I was using MailChimp before, and Omnisend is just so much easier, so much better. The WooCommerce integration, which I'm going to show you right now, is really good. Makes putting together product emails a breeze. So let's do that. Now, I'm thinking I could use my existing template, or I could have a look at some of the Omnisend e-commerce templates. I think we'll have a look at what we've got in the template library. So I'm just going to go create campaign, and it's an email campaign. So here we go. Let's put this campaign together. I'm going to start with the subject line, something simple like fresh Estepona. There's too many spaces there. Hang on. Estepona t-shirt designs have dropped. Do you think that's okay? I'm just thinking my demographics are slightly older. Maybe using the word have dropped, or the words have dropped, is a little bit too cool. Let's take it back a bit and go here. Perfect. I think that'll be great. The pre-header, let's see if AI can help me with that. I like this one, express your love for Estepona with our new designs. Let's give the campaign a name. Estepona new teas. It's fine. Get a little preview up here. Looking good. Let's choose our template. So we've got a selection here. My goal is to promote products. So I'll tick that. I just want something that just lays out the products. We got down here fashion and lifestyle, clothing. So let's have a look at this one. That's it. That's perfect. I just want something nice and simple. We'll go with that. I don't need this navigation at the top because I haven't got a full-blown e-commerce fashion shop, so we'll get rid of that. This logo, I want it bigger. I want it big like that. This area here, in fact, I don't need this area. Let's get rid of that. As you can see, it's really easy to use this editor. Change this. I need to adjust the font. It's a little bit too big. Oh, let me just highlight it. There we go. Yep. That's nice. It's in this kind of red color, but maybe just a... Oh, sorry, that's the link color. Text colors here. Maybe just black is fine. Maybe bold is nice. Again, I need to highlight that. Bold. Our new collection is here. Love is the product. Wear it. I use that in another ad. It worked quite well. I like it. I think I'm going to bold this up as well. And then here I'm going to have free shipping on all orders, which I've got. So here we've got a simple link through to the shop. It's going to link straight through to the website, but I actually want to link through to the shop section. So that is this Estepona. Oh, can I type? Here we go. Estepona.live/shop. That's perfect. It's the primary button style. I mean, I do have other buttons, but I think the primary one is absolutely perfect. I like these arrows. I think I do. But I think, I don't think I need any more text. I was going to put something like maybe check out the designs, but maybe the arrows are enough to get people to scroll down. And then what we need to do is start adding our products. Now, it's really easy because my Omnisend is connected to WooCommerce using the Omnisend plugin. So I can just click pick products from store and I can just pick them. So the new ones are this one, this one, this one, maybe that one, I can't remember. This one, that one, I think that one. I'm just going to select a load of random ones actually. Some of the originals, some of the new ones. Let's mix them all in. How many have we got there? That looks like quite a lot. 17, and we've got 2 columns. So I think an even number is what we need. In terms of the variant, we can choose a different color. But no, I don't need a different variant. That's fine. A couple of white ones together, it's not a problem. So there we go. Easy, super easy to select the products. Click add, and they're in. Just like that. Super easy. And in fact, we can rearrange them. So if I don't want 2 white ones together, I can just drag that down. That's better. And, well, we can decide what details we want. We can format the stuff here. So the text is a little bit too big because that's gone onto 2 lines. I don't like that. So I think I'm going to adjust the font size just slightly. 14, I think, is better. I don't know if I need the price because they're all the same price. I can add the price up here. In fact, I don't even want to add the price. I think the price, I think it's a good price, but it might, I don't know, put people off a little bit. I thought I want people to click through to view the price. So let's get rid of the price. I can get rid of the price just by going up here, go to product listing, and then if we scroll down here, we've got some options here. Get rid of all of that. Do I need the big shop now button? Because people can just click right through. Maybe we should have the shop now button. I know, what do you think? Send to that. Yeah. I don't know. It's a lot of shop now buttons, isn't it? Yeah, I'm going to lose the shop now button. I think we'll just keep it simple. People can click through. I think the name might look better if it's bold. Bolded, centered like that. So there we go. All the t-shirts ready to go. At the bottom, I'm just going to add another little button. So I need to just add a layout, a little 1 column there, and then add a button. And I'm just going to change the text to say view the entire collection. Should that be capitalized? probably. There we go. And again, link through to the shop. Like that. And we're all done. Really is that simple. So I'm going to blast this out right now, and well, fingers crossed, we'll get some sales. So to send it, I'm just checking it looks fine. It looks really nice. To send it, we just go to save and choose recipients. All subscribers, all 368 of them, review the campaign. Can have a campaign booster if you want, where it resends to subscribers who missed it initially. I think we'll give that a go. Let's turn that on. I like to mark it as a resend. I think that's a good thing to do, right? Content can be the fine. And send it to those who have not opened the email 48 hours afterwards. Perfect. Everything else looks good. Send it now. Let's go. So I just click send now, and off it goes. Taking a few moments to prepare it, get it all looking straight, rendering, making sure everything is ready for launch. The anticipation, wow. Success! Your campaigns will be sent shortly, and we can check the progress in campaigns. So I will check the progress. And in fact, I haven't recorded the intro to this video. I'm hoping there's going to be some sales that I can put in that. So let's wait and see. But yeah, I'll record something tomorrow with an update. So let's edit to tomorrow me. So here we are. It's been about 24 hours since the campaign went out. And well, here's the stats. We had 368 sent, which is, I think, the whole list pretty much. A 50% open rate, which is slightly lower than usual. But, you know, it's a salesy sort of email. And my emails are usually kind of information-led. They're all about the latest articles and stuff. So I guess that's expected, as is the lower click-through rate, because, yeah, all that was in the email was T-shirt. So if you're not interested in a T-shirt, I guess you're not going to click it. Whereas people do tend to click through and read my articles. But I'm pleased to say, from the 13 clicks that we got, which is a 3.5% click-through rate, we generated a revenue of €167.92, which was from 2 orders. So that's nice. And we've still got the booster campaign, which is going to go out tomorrow. So maybe that'll bring in a couple more. We'll wait and see. But that brings us to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you're going to set yourself up with Omnisend and send out some emails to boost your sales. I'm going to be doing a full update video on how Estepona Life is going, sharing all of the revenue figures, and what I've been up to and how social media is growing and all that kind of stuff. So make sure you don't miss that by clicking the subscribe button. I've also got 2 videos on how I put together the print-on-demand website and how I came up with ideas for the T-shirts and how I created the designs using AI. So yeah, hopefully you want to see those too. So do make sure you're subscribed. But until next time, I wish you the best of luck with your websites. I'll see you later.